Welcome to Boxcode. In this video, we will learn how to solve OLEDB connection error in VB.NET. So, let's start it. Here, we have one demo project. In the form design code, we can see that the error in OLEDB connection, OLEDB command, etc. more. So, first step for solve the error. Go to the Solution Explorer. Here, you will see that, and if you not shown here, then you can go View menu and select the Solution Explorer. After that, right-click on Windows Form and select the Manage NuGet package. Here, we will go to Browse and search the system.data.oledb. Here, we get the first package and just install the package. After that, click on Apply button. After that, we will go to .NET code file and see that all the error are gone. So, check the error, we will run the form. Form is perfectly run. Thank you for watching this video. If any query in video, you can comment your query. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Like, share, subscribe, comment.